What if I told you that your kid, or even you, could play that in just 5 minutes? I know it sounds a little complicated, but the secret is just a simple pattern across these 4 frets that anyone can learn, even if you have never held a guitar before.
Learn to play guitar made easy. Simple songs. Easy steps. Let's start, just follow along. Guitar Star Academy.
The cartoon Bluey is a massive hit with kids, and let's be honest, parents too. And that theme song, it's just an absolute earworm. Today, we are going to learn that exact song. We're going to use a couple of fun challenges along the way, and maybe some silly sounds to get this melody down. All right, here we go, the first secret pattern. So we're going to start here with this string. Now this is the thinnest string, which we call the first string. And we just have 3 notes to play on this string. So as you can see here, I'm resting my fingers on the front and I'm using my thumb to push through the string to get that one to sound. And then I'm going to be using my ring finger to push down at the 4 frets. So these metal strips are what we call the frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I use my fingertip, the bony part of the finger, to push the string down. And at the 2nd fret, I'm going to be using this finger. If you are watching this video as a parent, thinking, this is great, but I don't know actually how to help my child practice guitar. That's exactly why I created this book and online course, Guitar Star in 30 Days. It's not a big, overwhelming method book. It's just a simple step-by-step path. Each and every day builds confidence. Each small win keeps your child motivated. And what most children don't need is more information and overwhelmness. They need structure, they need momentum, they need to feel successful in their learning quickly. And this is what this book is all about and designed to do. If you want something that takes the guesswork and frustration out of practice and gives your child a really clear path over the next 30 days, then I'm going to drop and leave the details in the comments so you can go and grab your copy right now. And if it's not for you, that's absolutely fine. Just keep following along here and I'll help you in these weekly tutorial videos. Again, thank you for listening and let's jump back into class. So we're going to start here. So 4, 2, open, 4, open, 2, open, 2, open. So that's the first part of the song. Again, just remember to go slow. Okay, and the second part of the song sounds like this. If you have completely enjoyed this lesson, please hit the subscribe button. It's just a small click for you, but it makes a huge difference in helping other children and parents finding this video. So for your next challenge, drop a comment and let me know, what song would you like to learn next? And you can play the notes. That's when you want to start to go faster. Might feel a little bit clumsy at first, but that's okay. Just keep trying. You can always pause and rewind this video and just do one note at a time. And there you go. Just in a few minutes, you learned the secret to playing the theme for one of the best shows on TV. You tackled the challenge, learned the notes, and now you have an awesome new skill that you can go and show off to family and friends. And the secret is, the more you play it, the easier and faster you'll get. Just keep practicing, and don't forget to just have fun learning it.
If you loved today's video, consider subscribing to the channel and be first notified when we post new weekly videos just like this.